All right, next trick we're going to be working on is called forward pass. This is the precursor to looping tricks, which is what I did earlier when I was showing you the styles with double A. Forward pass looks like this. You're just throwing it, shooting it back out, and catching it. It's kind of cool. You look like a ninja, like you're fighting with your yo-yos or whatnot. To do it, you hold it like you would when you're going to throw a sleeper, but you actually turn your hand over. So instead of starting palm up like you were, you're actually going to start palm down. You bring your arm down, comes right next to your leg, right about there. And it's actually more of a swinging motion. A lot of people think they're going to be throwing this like a baseball out there to do it, and it's much more of a swinging motion. So you bring your arm down, you're going to swing it out like so. And then when it hits all the way to the end of the string, you see there when it reaches the end, you swing it out, it reaches the end. You take your palm, and it's going to have started like this. You turn it over and just leave it there. When it hits that end of the string, it bounces back, and it's going to look just like this. Shoots out to the string, put your palm up, it'll bounce right back. And with a little practice, maybe try throwing a little bit harder to get it to snap back like you want it to. You should be able to execute a good forward pass.